All right, so third grade, we have been talking about our clock, and we know that when we look at our clock, we have our hour hand, our shorter hand, which is, and then we have our minute hand, which is, but they're both so smart, right?
Yeah.
Because they tell us our time, so both are very, very smart. But our shorthand, which is our hour hand, because you can actually spell H-O-U-R on that hand, he counts by ones from 1 to 12. But he's so smart because he can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What a good job he did, right? Shake your head, yes. Yes. So he's so smart because he can count all the way to 12. And then we have our minute hand. Our minute hand is longer. I can actually spell M-I-N-U-T-E in our minute hand. Our minute hand is just as smart than our hour hand. Our minute hand, though, counts by what?
5.
Fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60, but what do we say?
It's o'clock.
O'clock. Very good, Ella. So we say o'clock. And that's how we look at our hour hand and our minute hand. And that's how we're going to tell our time. But one of the things that is often a struggle is the fact of knowing how to say half past or quarter past. Now, I have a paper plate. I took that paper plate. How did I cut it?
In half.
In half, right? Well, let's look at our clock with our paper plate cut in half. What are the two numbers that you can see, Aliyah?
12 and 6.
You see my 12 and my 6. So that means that the 12 and the 6 are what part of the clock? Half. I have half of my clock over here and half of my clock over here. Okay? Then look here. Okay? I have half and half. That helps me to know that half past the number would be 6. Okay? Because this is the hour, and then half past the hour, it would be when it's on the 6th, which is what time? It would be that whatever, it would be 12. 30. Very good, Aaliyah. It would be 12:30. Half past is 30. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you another one, and this is always a struggle, which is why we're doing our quick video today. This one gets my kids every time, so we're going to do it, and hopefully I can hold these properly so you can see them. But when I cut this plate, I cut it into quarters, fourths, okay? And when I have fourths or quarters, now you can see 4 numbers. What 4 numbers can you see, Ella?
12, 6, 9, and 3.
12, 6, 9, and 3, okay? We know that when it's going to the 6, that is half. But what about my 3 and my 9? Those are my quarters, my quarter after and my quarter till. So if I have quarter after, what number is quarter after?
3.
My 3, because it's after what number? It comes after what?
12.
My 12. So 3 is quarter after my 12. Liam, sit up high. Quarter after 12. And then from my 9 to my 12 is what?
Quarter till.
Quarter till. Noah, what would it be if it's from my 9 to my 12?
Half past.
No, remember we just finished saying from here to here. What is this part of my plate? Is it half of my plate?
No.
No, what part of my plate is it?
It's a quarter.
It's a quarter of my plate then, very good. So if it's going from here to here, it's going to be what?
Quarter till.
Quarter till. Elbow bump, air high five. I can't do my other air high five. What's next, Ben?
Confetti.
Confetti. Good job. So from 9 to my 12 would be quarter till my next hour. So 3 is always what?
Quarter after.
What is 3? My 3 would be what, Noah?
My 3 will be
When 3 is quarter what?
quarter till.
After, right? Because it's after my 12, so quarter after. And then from 9 to my 12, whoops, it's quarter till. Okay? Do you see that? Okay? So quarter after is always going towards my 3. Quarter till is always going from my 9 up to my 12. So hopefully we can keep that in mind and remember that. Good job, guys.